Top 10 boosting exam strategies to help you pass the NCLEX. So let's dive right in. Stick with me to the end. I have a juicy bonus for you. Okay, strategy number 1. Create a study plan and stick with it. Guys, stick with it. Break down your study materials into manageable chunks and allocate specific times for each of your topic. You need to do that, okay? All right. Example. Say you're focused today on pharmacology. You're going to do pharmacology plus questions. Have a notebook handy, so take notes. Anything that you may get wrong, you write it down so you can go back to it later. Okay, welcome to Ship It All Registered Nursing, where I support new grads from passing your NCLEX to coaching new or novice nurses to become gritty so you'll persevere and lead in the field. I am your coach. Let's shine. Okay, strategy number 2. And before I go further, with all due, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. Subscribe and comment below. Okay, next you should, strategy number 2. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm going too fast. Slow down. I think I'm too excited. Okay, alright, strategy number 2. Practice with NCLEX style questions. I've said this in previous videos and I'm going to say it again. This will help you to familiarize yourself with the exam format for the NCLEX and improve your critical thinking skills. Because remember, NCLEX is all about critical thinking and staying safe. Find a test bank and stick to it. Don't jump from east, west, north, and south. Stick to one. Find one that works for you and stick to it, whether the ones that your school provide or not. For example, I did UWorld. Okay, while you're studying for UWorld, if you use UWorld, you can choose their you can take off the tutor mode. Okay, when you take off the tutor mode, right, it won't show you the answer same time, so you'll be able to go back and look at the questions after, because sometimes while we're doing tests and we see, okay, I get this one wrong, I get that one wrong. Sometimes some people get frustrated and like, I keep getting everything wrong. So what you can do is take off the tutor mode so you can go back, so at least you will eliminate that form of distraction so you can stick with what you're doing and keep going. Answer as many questions that you can, or you can set goals. Today I'm going to start with 50 or 30, but take breaks in between. Okay, that's strategy number 2. Let's keep going. Okay, strategy number 3. Utilize online resources and study materials, specifically the ones that are designed for NCLEX. There are a lot of resources out there, guys. These resources can help you reinforce your knowledge and provide additional practice questions. So for example, some people say they use Quizlet, they use UWorld, they use ATI. I chose one and I stick to it. Okay, but make sure anything that you're using, they are credible. You can listen to audios while driving. And what I want to also say, whenever you're doing like the select all that apply, treat them like true or false. Is this one true? Is this one false? Treat it as a true or false, and trust me, you will get by. Eliminate the stress. Know that NCLEX is here. Is just testing how safe you are to practice out there as a nurse. Okay? Strategy number 4. Join a study group. Get a study buddy. Collaborate and discuss concept with others that can deepen your knowledge and your understanding and help you clarify any doubts. For example, you have any doubts with anything, you can ask a friend, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? It's good to have study buddy. I had a study buddy while I was going to school, and it was totally great. Like, I couldn't imagine myself going through nursing school without my study buddy Marie. Yes, hi Marie. She was like my school mother. She She will keep me in track with anything, remind me of any tests, any quiz we had, anywhere we were supposed to go. We used to study in the library, study rooms. So guys, I'm telling you, get a study buddy. Get a study buddy. You need it. You need it. Okay? Alright. What number am I? I forgot. I think it's on strategy number 4. Here we come. Did anyone correct me? I'm actually at strategy number 5. I'm too excited about this video. Okay, depending on your learning style, using what they call that word, mnemonic, or those devices and memory aids to help you remember complex information. So not everyone learning style is different. Say memorizing medications and the side effects, those strategies are good to use. Strategy number 6, take regular breaks during your study sessions. Guys, you need to take breaks. You need to give yourself enough time. Not everyone can do 100 questions in one setting. Do what works for you. Don't follow anyone. Don't allow yourself to get too exhausted and then you end up wasting your whole day. Because when your brain is exhausted, like, come on, you're going to be tired and then the day is over. It's important you give your brain the time and the rest that it needs to recharge. Okay? Strategy number 7. Prioritize in areas that you're weak in. Wherever your weakness is, you need to prioritize. Identify those areas and focus on them regularly. Challenging yourself to allocate the time necessary for those that you find particularly challenging and allocate more time to studying them. That's very important because whatever area that you're weak in, you really need to be reviewing. And what I wanted to say is that at night I used to just go over the materials that I find challenging. I'll go over it before bedtime. Strategy number 8. Oh, we're on a roll. Review your incorrect answers and practice exams. Understanding why you got a question wrong will help you to avoid making the same mistake twice. We don't want to make the same mistakes twice. So that's the reason why before I told you get a book. Get a book, okay? Strategy number 9, stop scattering the study materials all over the place. East, west, north, south. Stay organized. Stay organized. Stay focused. Organize your study materials. Take notes. And use your resources necessary. That's what I wanted to say. Strategy number 10. Don't forget to take care of yourself. You come first. You need enough sleep. You need to eat nutritious meals. And make time for exercise. Okay? A healthy body is crucial for the mind. Okay? Alright. So what I was telling my niece the other day, because I was giving her some study tips, and I was saying, I remember while I was going to nursing school, I would make sure I take my vitamins. I was Googling what is good for the brain, what is good for the mind, what is good for remembering things, supplements that are good for stuff like that. And I would take my multivitamin, I take a fish oil, I take my vitamin B12 because that helps to give you good energy. And I needed that, so I take it because I was working so hard. I was working a full-time job and I was going to school and I had kids, husband, business. I needed my energy. I needed that energy. I needed my rest. So these are things that you really need to do, guys. Okay, so my bonus. Are you ready? Are you ready? So we are at the bonus. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, encourage someone else with your strategy that is perfect, that someone else can utilize and use to study and to pass their NCLEX. So please comment, let me know that you joined the team. You join the team, the Ship It Out Registered Nursing team. Comment below, let me know that you subscribe, you're new here or you returned. Let me know. Okay, so bonus. Are you ready for this? Clean your house. Yes, I said it. Keep your house clean and clutter free. This is essential for academic support, guys. For academic success, this is important. Clutter free. When your house is cluttered, it's order for the brain to focus on the specific task and process the information that you are giving it. So clean your house. Like, I could never study in a dirty house. Like, I had to clean. I just had to clean. Well, if you like that bonus, thanks for watching our video. Okay, and if you enjoy these strategies, I hope you use them to pass your NCLEX. And if you found my video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share the video. And good luck. If you want more tips and tricks for passing your NCLEX or your exam, subscribe to Ship It or Registered Nursing. I am here to support you. Staying happy as always. God bless. One love, one art. Let's get together at Ship It or Registered Nursing. Subscribe. See you soon. Did you subscribe? Hold on. Let me wait. If you're here at the end, go ahead and click that subscription button. Okay? Bye.